In this video, we are going to learn how to construct a parallelogram given the length of two sides and one angle. So in this case, we are given the length AB 100 millimeters and BC 40 millimeters, and then we have the angle AB1 120 degrees. So the first thing we're going to do is draw the object line AB 100 millimeters. Let's label this quickly. So we go on the text layer, A, label this point, B. Now we're going to go back onto the construction lines layer. We're going to extend this line a bit, B, using the arc tool, center, start, end. We're going to construct the 120 degree angle at B. So using the distance 40, going to describe an arc. Let's go from this point. So using this intersection, we'll call it O. Using the arc tool, center, start, end, and O as center, we're going to describe an arc to cut. So that will be the 60. And then we use this point as center. We're going to describe another arc. So this new angle here is 120 degrees. We just extend it a bit, right? And we would name this 1. So now we have our angle AB1 120 degrees. So we could take that measurement right now, correct? 120 degrees. Right, so let's continue. Using B as center, start, center, end, I'm going to describe an arc along B1 to cut at C 40 degrees. Lovely. Now, using C as center, going to describe an arc 100 millimeters long. And from A, I'm going to describe an arc 40 millimeters long to intersect this arc. Now we're going to use the line tool on the object line layer and connect our points. We're going to label this point as D. So there we have it, our parallelogram A, B, C, D, with our distance, two given distance, (100), our angle (120°). Let's do the final distance, 40. That's it.